Hi guys, today I'm going to be going over the 2019 AMC8 questions 6 through 10. Timestamps to each individual question will be provided in the description. Question 6 states, there are 81 grid points uniformly spaced in the square shown in the diagram below, including the points on the edges. Point P is in the center of the square. Given that point Q is randomly chosen among the other 80 points, what is the probability that PQ is a line of symmetry for the square? Okay, let's count the lines of symmetry. First one would be this, second one, this, fourth one, this, and the last one, this. Or no, that wouldn't have been the fourth one, that would have been the third one. Anyway, so how many PQs can we, or how many points can we choose for Q so that any of these lines exist? Well, we can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So there are 32 points we can choose to make PQ a line of symmetry out of 80 points. So PQ equals 4 out of 10, that's 2 out of 5. So PQ, or the probability that PQ is a line of symmetry, is C. Question 7 states, Shauna takes 5 tests, each worth a maximum of 100 points. Her scores on the first 3 tests are 76, 94, and 87. In order to average 81 for all 5 tests, what is the lowest score she could earn on one of the other 2 tests? Okay, so her scores on the first 3 tests were 76, 94, 87, and her last 2 tests, let's say, are X and Y. And you want to find an average of 81 for all the tests. So first of all, let's add all these together to get 170, 257. So 257 plus X plus Y over 5 equals, 81. So 257 plus X plus Y equals 405. So then X plus Y equals 405 minus 257. That would be 839, or 148. So let's say that the lowest score she could earn on one of the other 2 tests, let's say that X is smaller than Y. So then to minimize X, you would have to maximize Y. And the maximum Y can be would be a 100. So if Y is 100, then the minimum X can be is a 48. And that's answer choice A. Question 8 states, Gilda has a bag of marbles. She gives 20% of them to her friend Pedro. Then Gilda gives 10% of what is left to another friend, Ebony. Finally, Gilda gives 25% of what is now left in the bag to her brother Jimmy. What percentage of her original bag of marbles does Gilda have left for herself? So let's say that she had 100 marbles from the beginning. Then she gave 20% of them to her friend Pedro. So then 100 became an 80. She had 80 left. Then because she gives 10% of that away to Ebony, 80 becomes 80 minus 10% of 80, which is 8, so 80 minus 8 would be 72. Finally, Gilda gives 25% of what is now left to her brother Jimmy. Okay, so now 72 becomes 72 minus 1/4 of 72. So what is 1/4 of 72? That would be 18. So 72 minus 18 would be 54. So Gilda has 54 marbles left in the bag for herself. E. Question 9 states, Alex and Felicia each have cats as pets. Alex buys cat food in cylindrical cans that are 6 centimeters in diameter and 12 centimeters high. Felicia buys cat foods in cylindrical cans that are 12 centimeters in diameter and 6 centimeters high. What is the ratio of one of Alex's cans to the volume of one of Felicia's cans? So the volume of a cylinder equals pi times radius squared times height. So one of Alex's cans would have a volume of pi times 3 squared, because the radius of a 6 centimeter diameter would be 3, times 12. And Felicia would have a volume of pi times 6 squared, because a 12 centimeter diameter translates to a 6 centimeter radius, times 6 for the height. So then the ratio of these two would be, let's simplify what we can first. So the ratio from Alex's cans to Felicia's cans would be 1 to 2, or B. Question 10 states, the diagram shows the number of students at soccer practice each weekday during last week. After computing the mean and median values, coach discovers that there were actually 21 participants on Wednesday. Which of the following statements describes the change in the mean and the median after the correction is made? Okay, so let's find the mean and the median before the correction is made first. So the mean would be 20 plus 26 plus 16 plus 22 plus 16 over 5. That equals 100 over 5, or 20. The median would be 20, 26, 16, 22, 16, and rearranging that into least greatest form would be 16, 16, 20, 22, and 26. So 20 is also the median. So the median before it changes is 20, and the median before it changes is 20. So the change in the mean and the median after the correction is made. Okay, now let's compute the mean and the median after he figures out that there were actually 21 participants on Wednesday instead of 16. So the new mean is going to be 20 plus 26 plus this doesn't, and then it's 21 instead, so plus 21 plus 24 plus 16. What does that equal? That equals 105 over 5. That equals 21. So the mean now is going to be 16, 20, 21, 24, 26. We can clearly see that the median is 21. So both the mean and the median increase by 1. The answer choice is B. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for the rest of the 2019 AMC 8.